Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency is all about? Well, let's demystify it. Cryptocurrency is essentially a digital or virtual form of currency. But unlike the paper money in your wallet, it isn't issued by any government or central authority. Instead, it operates on decentralized networks based on an innovative technology called blockchain. What makes it truly unique is the use of cryptography. This not only secures online transactions, but also controls the creation of new units. Cryptography ensures that these digital transactions are extremely secure and, in many cases, anonymous. So, in a nutshell, that's the world of cryptocurrency, a digital, decentralized financial system powered by blockchain technology. Now that we have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency, let's delve deeper into one of the most popular platforms in this sphere, Coinbase. When it comes to cryptocurrency platforms, Coinbase holds a significant position. It's a name that's synonymous with the rise of digital currencies. Established in the year 2012, Coinbase has been on a mission to bring economic freedom to people worldwide. With its intuitive, user-friendly interface, Coinbase has been instrumental in making cryptocurrency not just accessible, but understandable to millions of people around the globe. Its role in this digital revolution cannot be understated. Coinbase has been a gateway, a guiding hand for many who've wanted to dip their toes into the vast ocean of cryptocurrency. It's not just about buying and selling digital assets, but also learning about the technology, the mechanics, and the potential of this new form of money. Coinbase indeed stands out. But what makes it so unique? Let's find out. One of the reasons Coinbase is popular is due to its features. At the forefront is the Coinbase app, a sleek, easy-to-navigate platform that caters to both the novice and the experienced trader. It's not just about buying and selling a wide array of cryptocurrencies, it's about doing so with ease and confidence. The app is designed with simplicity in mind, making it possible for anyone to dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even those new to the game can find their way around. From setting up an account to executing a trade, every step is straightforward and uncomplicated. But Coinbase doesn't stop at providing a platform for transactions. It also serves as a treasure trove of information. The app offers educational resources that demystify the cryptocurrency market. These resources help users gain a deeper understanding of different cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, market trends, and so much more. With Coinbase, you're not just transacting, you're learning. And let's not forget about the range of cryptocurrencies on offer. Coinbase supports a broad spectrum of digital assets. Whether you're looking to invest in well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or you're interested in exploring the potential of newer emerging cryptocurrencies, Coinbase has got you covered. While these features are impressive, how secure is Coinbase? Let's discuss that. In the cryptocurrency universe, security is paramount. This is a fact well understood by Coinbase. It has put in place robust security measures to ensure the safety of your digital assets. One key measure is two-factor authentication. This means access to your account isn't just dependent on your password, you'll also need to input a code sent to your mobile device. This adds an extra layer of security, making unauthorized access significantly more challenging. Coinbase also uses what's known as cold storage for the majority of funds. This means the funds are stored offline, away from potential online threats. It's akin to storing your valuables in a digital vault. And then there's insurance. Coinbase provides insurance coverage for its digital assets. In the unlikely event of a breach, this insurance can help cover any losses. Security is never an afterthought when trading cryptocurrencies. With Coinbase, you can have peace of mind knowing your funds are secure. While security is crucial, so is the range of cryptocurrencies one can trade. Let's dive into that. Coinbase has come a long way since its inception regarding the cryptocurrencies it supports. At its dawn, Coinbase primarily dealt with Bitcoin, but it has since branched out to encompass a wide array of digital currencies. From the household names of Bitcoin and Ethereum to the rising stars like Polkadot and Chainlink, Coinbase offers an extensive selection to suit every investor's needs. But the support doesn't stop at the established names. Coinbase is also a platform of discovery, continually adding emerging cryptocurrencies to its roster. This allows users to explore the dynamic landscape of digital currencies, providing opportunities to invest in new projects that show promise. In essence, Coinbase serves as a gateway to the diverse world of cryptocurrencies, from the most recognized to the up-and-coming. This diversity is a testament to Coinbase's commitment to making cryptocurrency accessible and providing its users with a broad spectrum of investment opportunities. It's clear that Coinbase offers a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, but what about advanced trading features? For those looking to level up their trading game, Coinbase Pro is the answer. This platform is an advanced version of Coinbase, designed to suit the needs of seasoned traders. While Coinbase is known for its user-friendly interface and features, Coinbase Pro takes it a notch higher. It offers a host of advanced tools and features. One such feature is the advanced charting tool. This tool provides detailed insights into market trends and allows users to analyze price movements in real time. It's a tool that can give you an edge in this fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. Another feature that sets Coinbase Pro apart is its market analytics. It offers in-depth market information and real-time order books, providing users with a comprehensive view of market activities. This can be particularly beneficial for those who base their trading decisions on thorough market analysis. But the cherry on top is the lower trading fees. Coinbase Pro offers a more competitive fee structure compared to Coinbase. This can make a significant difference, especially for high-volume traders. Coinbase Pro certainly offers advanced features, but it's also important to understand the costs involved with Coinbase. Just like any other platform, Coinbase Pro comes with its own set of fees. So before diving in, make sure you're well-versed with these costs. After all, being a savvy trader isn't just about maximizing profits, it's also about minimizing costs. While Coinbase offers a seamless experience, it's important to understand the associated costs. As with any financial platform, utilizing Coinbase's services does come with certain fees. These fees help maintain the platform and provide the convenient features we've discussed earlier. Firstly, let's talk about transaction fees. Every time you buy or sell cryptocurrency on Coinbase, there's a fee involved. This fee is calculated based on the greater of two components, a flat fee determined by the amount transacted or a variable fee determined by your location and payment type. Next, let's touch on conversion fees. If you're converting one cryptocurrency to another, Coinbase imposes a spread margin of up to 2%. This means that if you're swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum, for example, you might be charged an extra 2% on top of the transaction. Additionally, there are other potential charges to be aware of. For instance, if you're depositing or withdrawing fiat currency from your Coinbase account, there may be fees depending on your payment method and location. In summary, while Coinbase makes buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrency remarkably easy, it's important to factor in these costs when making your investment decisions. Always check the fee schedule before executing any transactions to avoid any unexpected surprises. Now that we've covered the basics of Coinbase, let's take a look at the bigger picture: recent trends in the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market is always evolving, with new trends emerging regularly. A hot topic in today's digital currency sphere is the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. This innovative approach is reshaping the financial landscape, removing intermediaries and giving power back to the people. It's all about peer-to-peer transactions, lending platforms, and automated smart contracts that are transforming the way we think about money and financial services. Additionally, another significant trend is the increasing acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrencies by traditional financial institutions. Once wary of digital currencies, many banks and investment firms are now embracing them, recognizing their potential to deliver efficient, secure, and transparent transactions. Some are even offering crypto-related services, signaling a shift towards mainstream acceptance. We're also seeing an influx of institutional investors in the crypto market. These are not just individual tech enthusiasts anymore, but established corporations and financial institutions acknowledging the growth and potential of digital assets. This institutional interest is contributing to the market's overall growth and stability, and let's not forget about the exponential growth of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These digital assets represent a completely new way to own and trade unique pieces of content on the blockchain, from artwork to music to virtual real estate. Staying informed about these trends can help you make better investment decisions. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to stay curious and informed.